I actually really enjoyed the prep classes. Like, I learned so much from it in each and every single aspect of it. And the teachers were so kind and they taught their subjects in such a way that it was very easy for me to grasp. The only issue I faced was when they were at the end of the day, at the end of those sessions, there were those tests. I didn't have time to prepare like in advance for them. So that's the only place where I lacked. But otherwise, from what the teachers have taught, it was really good. Like I could really understand everything very well. Yes, it has definitely helped because as I said, when they explained a certain concept, they made sure to highlight a few important points that could be a possible question for our MCQs in like each and every subject, not only specific ones. And a few of them did give MCQ practice to us, so that also really helped. And I learned more in classes than I did when I was doing it on my own. Like I knew the portion, but when they taught it again, I recall and I got to learn more as well. So it was like a double revision for me.
Right.
Yeah. So like for the big theory subjects like bio and chemistry, the way because I have done chemistry right now, the way ma'am taught and the way she would quiz us right after teaching, that really boosted memory information that I knew what was coming and I knew how to answer it. Before I knew the answer, I couldn't exactly reason it. And the same thing worked for bio and physics. So physics, I missed 2 classes,
Right.
but from the first class that I attended, it did help.
Okay.
And maths really helped because I was completely clueless. Yes, definitely. These classes really did help me. No, not really. Only the first day was a bit hard because you had to sit for like a whole straight 4 hours.
Right.
After that, I got used to it, so I was fine